The case we have advanced before this honorable court today is that Shell makes on the declaration of crude oil shipments, and in some extreme instances, non-declarations of shipments. Investigations had earlier revealed that Shell will load vessels at its terminals and just move without declaring the quantity of crude to pre-shipment agents who are by law appointed by the Central Bank of Nigeria. In other cases, the declarations made by Shell to pre-shipment agents and contained in export documents have shown marked differences when compared with import documents of the same shipments in the countries of destination, particularly the United States of America. Nigerians must know to hide this illicit business and stealing of our common patrimony, we have put before the court issues that Shell turns around and instigates attacks on its facilities so that they can claim that what they stole were lost during acts of vandalism. If Shell, on their own, can claim that 22 million barrels of our oil has been lost in about 6 months, that will give Nigerians an idea of how much crude oil they have stolen and are prepared to hide from the Nigerian people. Nigerians must also imagine what our dear President, Muhammadu Buhari, would do with about 5 trillion naira. A prudent president like Muhammadu Buhari will solve most of the country's infrastructural deficits. Our roads, bridges, railways, highways. He would have turned all of this around, including our schools and electricity, would have seen the light of the new day. We are urging the court, in the interest of the country and justice, to grant us the order we have sought so that this stealing of Nigeria's oil will be brought to an end and the resources of the country utilized for the common good, while the already stolen resources of about 5 trillion naira will be refunded by Shell. Among our specific prayers are a declaration that the act of conduct of Shell in not remitting and under declaring the crude oil exportation and shipment, instigating criminal acts of pipeline vandalism, oil theft, third-party interference in truck line operations, incident cases of fire outbreak, repeated incidents of sabotage or other suspicious activities or occurrences, as well as the cover stealing of Nigeria's crude oil. As a result, therefore, the Shell from East Forcados and Bonny Oil Terminals and Bonga SPA pool is illegal, unlawful, and constitutes great economic sabotage and crime against the Nigerian state. And order directing and compelling the EFCC to carry out a quantitative investigation of the amount of quantity of crude oil coming into or supplied to and exported from Shell Forcados, Bonny Oil Terminals, and Bonga FSPO, as well as the amount or quantity of crude oil claimed to have been or supposed to have been exported from the said terminal from 1st of January 2001 to 31st of August 2019, and order directing and compelling the EFCC to publish and or make public the report of its investigation of the allegation of non-remittance and under declaration of crude oil exportation and shipment by Shell as aforementioned within 14 days of the conclusion of such investigation, so that the Nigerian people will know how much Shell has reaped from our country. An order directing the Attorney General of the Federation and the EFCC, where the investigation shows commission of crime, to undertake criminal prosecution of Shell, its staff, agents, privies, nominees, or however described over allegation of non-remittance and under declaration of crude oil exportation and shipment and resultant loss of revenue by the federal government of Nigeria. With the case we have before the Federal High Court, Nigerians should keep us in their prayers and be assured that upon recovery of this stolen money, the next level economic agenda of the president of lifting well over 100 million Nigerians out of poverty would have become a reality in a short while. And we have also filed a motion asking the court for accelerated hearing. If this matter can come to an end in a couple of months, as we envisage, and the recovery of this money begin in earnest, then President Muhammadu Buhari will have enough money in his hand and time in his hand to cause the needed change in our economy. Thank you.